Good afternoon, LC people. Well, we've been hard at it today, and we've sort of had ups and downs and ins and outs, and things have sort of slowed us down a little bit on the bike. So what have we done today, you ask? Mainly we've been on the wiring. We put a few little bits on it. I had two looms that came from a good mate, Kev Schofield, and he had problems with them. And I said, well, before we wire up the bike, I've got to put each one of those on and test them out, which I had done. There was a clip broke on one of the fuse boxes on one of them, and there was a duct fuse. Other than that, both those looms were great. So that's sort of like, we fannied about with that for an hour, and then we've sort of connected all the bike up. There was a problem with the back light, but that was a loose connection. You didn't get the brake light, and basically a loose connection in the I-beam on the clock. So what else have we done? Obviously battery box has gone on it, all the wiring's got connected up, the coil cover's gone on down here, that little beauty, oil tank's gone on it, water expansion bottle's gone on it, hanger on this side. We're waiting for the brake because it's been sent for the dippers or whatever you call it, the plating. So that'll come, but it won't be till Saturday. The kickstart, this isn't the one off of it, it's off an engine that I'm doing for somebody else. We've got all the sparks on it, all the electrical system is working, all these are routed, all that kind of junk. You know the score. That's what really been about. I'm going to bleed the front brake up in a minute, change the jizzy screws, blah, blah. Just a few little bits. The chain can go on it, the chain guard can go on it, the gear pedal the other side. But yeah, that's what we've really been about. You know, some things fight you a bit more than you expect them to, don't they? So we've looked at routings for various bits and pieces and what goes where. We're happy with where it's come to. Julian's done a good job, bless him. He put all the switch gear on it and the bars and all that kind of stuff and the grips and what have you, and he put the brake system on it. And we've worked in collaboration together throughout the day to get her to where she is. Tomorrow's another day. We'll be on the carbs. It's got Boysons to go in it. Steve, the guy that owns it, wants his Samco blue hoses on it to match his paint, which is fair enough. So the purists out there, you're not going to like it, but Dave doesn't care. You know, Steve will show you the bike, and I'm sure somebody will turn around and say, they're the wrong screws or the wrong bolts here and there. He won't mind, and I won't mind, because it's not a concourse nut and bolt restoration. It's not. And if you think it is, you're on the wrong channel. Anyway, folks, that's all I can tell you for now. Yeah, that's going on in a minute. It's got the original bucket on it, but it is a pattern headlight and rim, but it's fine. Yeah, it's got twin horns on it, that's right. It's a 250, but he wanted twin horns. And that's it. That's all I can really tell you for now. We'll post again tomorrow with a bit more progress on it. But it's just coming together. This time tomorrow, I'm expecting to get it running. We can't take it for a ride without the brake pedal, obviously. The kickstart, like I say, is off another engine. But we can get the bike running and see what she's like. The carburettor will have to go through. Like I said, Julian's going to go through the reed blocks. And that's where we're at with it. So keep watching to see the end of the rebuild. And fingers crossed, it's going to be 95% tomorrow. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.
Dilly dilly.